In this video, we will learn how to install Qiskit in Anaconda, and we will install this through Anaconda prompt or the terminal and not through this navigator. So let's open the Anaconda prompt or the terminal. So if you are using Windows, then you will open the Anaconda prompt, and in case of Mac, you need to open the terminal. And the steps which I am going to show here will work exactly in the same way for both Anaconda prompt and the terminal. So now let me open the terminal, because for my case it is the Mac system. Now once you open a new terminal or the Anaconda prompt, this base environment would be already activated. And now here first we will create the virtual environment, and then we will install the Qiskit library inside that created environment. So to create the environment, we will type conda, then space, create, then space, hyphen name, space, and now we will type the name of the virtual environment which we want to create. So let's say this is Qiskit_env, and now at the last we will type again space, then python equals to, and now we will provide the Python version which we want to install in the new environment. So I will type 3.13 because this is the latest version as of now, and now finally we will hit enter. Now here it is saying that these many packages will be installed in the new environment, so we are fine with that. So I will type Y and hit enter. So finally it is completed now, and our environment should be created. So let's verify that, and for that we will list down all the environments which are managed by Anaconda. So for that we will type conda space env space list. So here we can see that our new environment is also present in this list, which was this Qiskit_env. So it means our environment is created successfully. Now we will activate this environment, but before that let me clear the terminal once so that it would be better visible to you. And now to activate the environment, we will type conda space activate and the name of the environment. So it was Qiskit_env, and now we will hit enter. So as soon as the command is executed, we will see this Qiskit_env within these brackets. So it means that this environment is activated now. And now finally we will install this Qiskit library in this activated virtual environment. So for that we will type pip space install space Qiskit and hit enter. And now the installation is started. And once this is installed, we will see this message of successful installation. And now to verify the installation, let's print all the libraries that are currently installed in the current activated environment. So again, I will clear the terminal once, and now we will run this command, which is conda space list, and hit enter. So here we will see this Qiskit library also, which has this particular version. And now we will quickly try to import this Qiskit library in the Python shell. So we will type Python here and hit enter. So now we are in the Python shell, and here to import the Qiskit library, we will say import space Qiskit and hit enter. So now here it will take some time, so please be patient. And finally the import was successful without any error, and it took around 1 minute for me. And now we will also print the version of Qiskit. So we will type print, then Qiskit.__version__ and hit enter. So here we have got the version also in the output, which is same as this one. So this is the evidence that the Qiskit library is installed successfully in our environment. Now let me know in comments if this video was useful to you, and make sure to hit the like button. And for free courses, you can also refer the video description.